this time in Tacomi, HARCO India is now demonstrating total 5 machines. We are showing our both the brand, Tacomi and HURCO. And this is a Tacomi machine which is with 15,000 RPM. This machine is 36,000 RPM. Here we are now projecting for a need of the day is that lighting mold or refractory mold where you need super surface finish. So this is the machine for that 36,000 RPM machine. We are also now promoting this year for 5-axis machine for die mold. Till date, customers in India is looking for 3-axis solution for this type of insert with a deep cavity. But in a 5-axis machine, you can use the tool, small tool length. You can go deeper, and all side you can do, even the cross drill you can do, angle or any complex angle you can do. So in a cycle time you can save a lot, and also you can save tool life and also the surface finish and accuracy. This 5-axis machine we are now promoting for die mold segment. We have many such customers who got tangible benefit. Now we are talking about some of our machines like H12 machine is a bridge tab machine. This machine is having 15,000 RPM spindle and 24,000 RPM spindle. Very compact machine. Here you will get extra Y-axis. This is the structure of the machine. This is a 2-piece structure casting, and we are also having some thermal stability over here. We have a software, patented software, which can take care of thermal compression of this machine. Beside that, we have our HURCO series, where we are talking about 5-axis machine again, but it is tabletop machine. The table is installed, the 5-axis table is installed on the same machine, and as the HURCO controller is a 5-axis compatible, so you can use this controller to get the simultaneous operation. We do all the small parts for mold. Generally, customers are getting this job done in 2 setup, 3 setup, 4 setup. Here in a single setup, you can complete the complete component. And this small parts is the bottleneck for any mold shop. So we address this particular problem, and we are offering this machine for that single setup component can be done together. And this is one of the bottleneck where HURCO is having solution. All together, around 5 machines we are showing, and we are finding extremely good response. Customer appreciating our approach, and as we said that is a 58 years old company. We always talk about technology. We bring the latest technology, IoT enabled. All our machines are IoT enabled machine, and every machine gives direct benefit to customer to make their business profitable. Thank you very much.